Hey, what's up everybody? Today I'm going to bring you a video about Matic/Polygon. So how can you stake and of course earn passive income as high as $1,000. So before we get started, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course I would like to, before start the video, like you to know about my Discord channel, which I'm doing a giveaway from time to time. Basically, if you join my Discord channel, you'll be most updated on all the giveaways, and after that from there I'm going to put like new videos, updates and stuff like this. So of course before you join the Discord channel, you will be first redirected to the rules page, and after that from there read the rules, and after that click on the thumbs up, and once you click on the thumbs up itself, you will be basically given the community member title, and from there you can access all the other roles, and after that yeah, basically the other channels. So before we get started, right now we are going to talk about how can you make $1,000 by staking on Polygon Matic, this ecosystem. So over here, this is the stakingrewards.com, basically the calculator for all the cryptocurrency assets that you want to stake, and after that from there you can do a calculation over here. So I've done, so basically to earn $1,000 per month, you will need to stake at least 100 over 1,000 worth of currency that you can own in US dollars. So it's roughly around $110,000 worth of Matic, which is around this amount of Matics, which is around 81,481 worth of Matics, and after that from there it is around 110,000 US dollar. And after that over here you can see the annual, basically this amount over here has some error, so I would say that you want to earn $1,000 per month, it will be roughly around, yeah, over this amount over here. So this amount, 12,804 divided by 12, you will get around 1.2 around 1,000 plus per month. And after that from there, this is how you earn $1,000 every month by staking on Polygon and Matic. And after that from there, you must be curious, like how do you even start staking, even though if let's say you do not even have this amount, so much of Matic available. And after that, we are going to talk about more in depth. So what do you need before you get staking? So the requirement for you to be start staking on this Polygon/Matic, basically you need to own the currency itself. And after that, where do you own the currency? So right now the currency is priced at $1.35 per unit. So over here we can see there's a total supply of 10 billion worth of Polygon. And after that, if you want to buy the Polygon token itself, you can buy it on Binance. So on Binance you can use your currency which they are offering right now. You can use US Tether, BUSD, BNB, BTC and Australian dollars, and after that a lot of other cryptocurrency which you can trade for Matic. And after that from there, once you have Matic itself, you will need to own a Ethereum wallet, basically a ERC20 token wallet, which is I would say MetaMask is your best choice. And of course if you want to have more security on your hardware, on your crypto address itself, you can use a ledger which I've mentioned using the link down below. Just buy a ledger or let's say a Trezor if you want to, and after that connect it towards your MetaMask, and from there you will need to be required to stake on be on the Ethereum network to start staking. So over here I'm going to teach you where can you basically how and where can you stake your Polygon Matic. So over here on the website, basically wallet.polygon.technology, over here on this site itself, this is where you can connect your wallet, your MetaMask wallet. Let's say if you're using a Ledger or a Trezor, basically just head over to your MetaMask, and from there just click on this thing, and after that import address. So once you have imported your address through your hardware wallet, and from there you have been connected, what you need to do is just basically head over to this thing called the Polygon staking, and once you click on it itself, just scroll down, and after that from there you will need to head over to you have to choose your validator and delegate funds. So over here, let's say for example you want to delegate to this, whatever it is, just click on this, and after that you can choose the maximum amount, and after that from there you just click on continue, and after that you will need to basically pay the transaction fee in Ethereum. So over here there is some tips that you need to know before you withdraw your funds. So over here on Binance itself, we would like to talk about where do you want to withdraw. So over here, if you click on withdraw itself, over here on Binance, they have four networks for you to select. So over here you can see there's the Matic main chain, and after that from there there's a Binance Smart Chain, and of course the Binance token, the Binance Chain BEP2. So which chain do you want to basically withdraw your funds towards is basically the ERC20, which is the Ethereum network. So for beginners itself, you guys might think that basically Matic have their own chain, therefore you want to withdraw the funds towards the Polygon Matic network, and from there if you withdraw it, and after that you will not be able to stake, because I've done the first mistake, the rookie mistake, which I have withdrawn the fund towards the Matic network, and after that from there I'm unable to stake using the Polygon web technology over here. Therefore, I would say that the place that you can stake is only on Ethereum network, and after that, from there, you will need to withdraw your funds towards the Ethereum network. So if you want to withdraw your funds, withdraw it to the Ethereum network, and after that, from there, once you have withdrawn your funds towards the Ethereum network, the next step is very simple. Once you have received your funds, just connect your wallet, and after that, choose the Polygon staking thing. Which you can find over here. Let's do it step by step. So if I log out over here, so once you're on the website, click on connect, and after that choose it on the MetaMask, and after that, once you have on MetaMask, you will be asked to sign your address. So once you have signed the address, very simple, just wait for a while, and after that, over here you will be redirected to this page over here, and of course just click on the Polygon staking. And after that, from there, you will need to become a delegator. So how do you become one? Very simple, just click on the button there, and over here you will need to choose the validators which you want to basically stake your funds towards, and of course the ones that you trust the most for them to basically validate blocks. So what do I do normally? So over here I would click on the stake amount, and after that, from there, why do we want to choose the stake amount? Because the majority token that has been staked on all these big people, I mean big entity like Binance Node, staking, and after that all nodes and all these kind of validators which has been trusted by other people, and after that, from there, they have done the research and they have quite a big name over there. So for Binance itself, is totally owned by Binance. Therefore, you can see the commission that Binance is charging is around 10%, and after that, on all nodes itself, they are charging a 0% fee. So I have gone with all nodes, and after that, from there, you can choose whichever you want. By doing your own research. So how do you do your research? Just click on the nodes itself, and over here on the nodes itself, they will have the website. Normally, if let's say they are representative of an ecosystem or a company or entity, they will have a website. Just click on it, and from there you can do a research all about them, and after that, from there you can choose accordingly on which nodes you want. So you want to choose the highest amount of stake, and after that, from there you can choose downwards, and after that, from there I've gone with all node stake, and after that, once you click on delegate with them itself, so for example you have some delegates, basically this just okay. So over here, so once you're on this page itself, the first thing you need to do is to approve your tokens itself. So once you have approved the token, which is going to cost you ranging from $5 to $15 worth of Ethereum, and once you have approved it, the next step you need to do is delegate. So once you have for example, if you want to delegate any funds, the minimum required amount for you to stake on Matic itself is around 2 Matic. Therefore, you need to own 2 Matic, and after that, from there you can basically choose to delegate on whoever you want. So once you click on max itself, just click on continue, and after that, estimated fee is going to be, yeah, you can see after you're done approving, they were going to tell you the estimated fee. So around the fee right now, the fees for delegation is around $61 in Ethereum. So I'm not going to do any steps over here. So if you want to wait for the fees of Ethereum to go lower, head over to etherscan.io, and after that, from there, just head over to the medium fee, gas fee, and after that, from there, I would say over here you can see throughout the whole day itself what is the historical price of gas itself. So right now you can see as of today it is 44 GWh as the minimum, the lowest the gas has gone, and after that previously it was at 6, and after that you can see basically I would say, if let's say you want to be safe or whatsoever, if you are not in a hurry to stake or something like that, you can basically send a transaction through over here. Just click on delegate, blah blah blah, and after that, from there you can enter your own manual gas fee that you want, and after that, from there you can just wait for your transaction to be approved. So once your transaction has been approved, I'm going to show you the actual results that I'm having. So on the actual result that I'm having over here, so I'm just going to show it to you transparently. So over here, this is my address, and I've redrawn some funds from Binance, and after that you can see around 34 days to 31 days ago, I start staking my funds, and after that, over here, this is the amount that I've been staking. So it is around 10,700 worth of Matic, and after that, it has been staking for around plus minus 31 to 32 days estimation, and after that, it's almost a month. So on over here, the calculation we can see, so how much am I supposed to be seeing? So over here, of the terms itself, so if let's say you are staking around 10,700 worth of Matic itself, you will be looking at around $1,681 annually, and after that, basically this over here has been bugged, so I will just gonna choose the amount, just do this, and after that just divide by 12. So around a month itself, I'm looking at around 140 worth of US dollar that I'm supposed to make, and after that, over here on the actual results that I'm seeing, so over here I'm making slightly more than what they are telling me on the staking the reward staking or staking rewards.com. So over here, this is the actual result that I'm having. So over here, this is the 8.1 metric they have basically claimed earlier, and after that over here, this is the unclaimed balance, which is around 176. So if I add these two up together, I'm earning around 190 US dollars worth of Matic by staking with all nodes per month. And after that over here, I would say it's around plus minus 31 or 32 days depending. And after that, I would say the rewards that they are showing over here, it is slightly off the chart over here. You can see why is that so, because over here on the delegation itself, there is some basically they are using the numbers over here to do an average up, and after that from there, most of the validators out there, they charge a fee. And after that over here, you can see the results on Onwards itself is showing the highest returns, which is around 12.667%. And after that over here, the annualized rate is around 11.6. So this is the average out. So I'm slightly earning more because I'm staking with all nodes. So if you want to choose your validator nodes itself, it's all up to you, depending on which one you want to do. So of course, we must know the important stuff before we close the video. So for the important note itself for this video, so the minimum amount to stake on Matic itself, a recap of the whole video, is 1 Matic. And after that over here on the basically for the unbonding, basically unstaking part, which you, let's say you want to withdraw all your initial capital of staking or whatsoever, you will need to be required to wait for around 9 days of holding period, which is approximately around 424 checkpoints on the official documents of Matic.network. Therefore, I would say this might be changed time to time. I am not so sure, but I Googled about this, and after that, this is the part that I'm seeing. So it's around 9 days to unbond your staking. And after that over here, the staking the minimum to start staking is only 1 Matic. My mistake to say that it's 2 Matic. So I would say that over here, if you want to get started on staking, you can just head over using all the links down below that I've already mentioned. And of course, do note that I've made a website about Binance Smart Chain, and of course we know that Matic itself, it is a network similar to the Binance Smart Chain, and of course similar to Ethereum network. And I would say that on Binance Smart Chain itself, this is the first, basically where the scam that has been growing on Binance Smart Chain itself. I would like you to head over to airdropscams.com to basically understand what is all these Binance Smart Chain airdrop scam that is ongoing. And of course, it can be moved towards the Matic ecosystem, if not the Ethereum ecosystem. If let's say the hackers, this kind of scammers wants to basically earn a larger reward. So over here you can see, and after that from there you can learn more about it. And of course, I've come to the end of the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video. And I'm gonna see you on the next one. Bye bye, peace.